Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Raise the truck and support it with jack stands. Remove the rear wheel, rear shock, leaf spring, fuel tank, and any lines or brackets in the work area. Step 3. Remove the rear shock mount and forward leaf spring mount by cutting the rivets and removing the studs. Step 4. Grind the frame area clean and apply weld-through primer. Step 5. Slide the frame repair section into place using the frame holes for alignment and clamp it securely. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section in place, then weld all edges fully. Step 6. Apply a rust-inhibiting top coat to the repair section and work area. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 7. Reinstall the forward leaf spring mount using M12 hardware. The bolts use a 16mm socket and the nuts use an 18mm wrench. Step 8. Reinstall the rear shock mount and fuel tank crossmember using M10 hardware. The bolts and nuts use a 15mm socket and wrench. Finally, reinstall the fuel tank, leaf spring, rear shock, and wheel.